Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix error code 0x80004003 in Microsoft Store in Windows 10. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, so after a few minutes ago I also faced this type of issue. So I will share a method so that how to I fix this type of issues. So let's get started. First of all, go to your search box and type CM. Now open a command and right click and click on a run as administrator. Okay guys, click on a yes button and open a command prompt. So after that, first of all, open a command xc config WUAUSERV space START slash is equal to auto. After that, press enter button, and after doing this step, once again you can type SC in capital words. After that, space, type config, and after that type BITS, right, space, and type start is equal to and auto. After that, click on a press button. Now once again type SC capital words and space. After that type config, and after that type CRYPTSBC space STL start dash auto. After that press the enter button. Now guys, after that you can type SC in capital words and after that space, and type config space and type trusted dollar space start is equal to auto and press enter. Okay guys, after that you can type exit and press enter. Now after doing this step, you can go to your computer and restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this step your problem has been fixed, because after a few minutes ago I also faced this type of issue and I solve the issue through this method. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.